Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Using drop shipments. In this video, we're going to explore the process for creating a drop shipment in Dynamics 365 Business Central. A drop shipment is when a vendor ships a product directly to our customer. The process flow is that we create a sales order and then link it to a purchase order. We'll start by creating a basic sales order. We'll just specify the customer and then move on to the sales lines, where we'll choose the item we're selling. On the sales line, we'll select the Drop Shipment checkbox. Now, the Drop Shipment column is not available by default, so we'll need to personalize the page to add the column. To start personalizing the page, we'll choose the Settings icon and then choose Personalize. We'll choose the Lines Fast tab to select that area, and then click plus field to open the Add Field to Page pane. We'll find the drop shipment boolean and then drag it to the position we want to display it on the line. Let's choose Done to exit personalization. Now that the sales order is ready, we need to create the purchase order. We'll create a new purchase order, but we won't create any purchase lines. On the Shipping and Payment Fast tab, we'll change the Ship To field to Customer Address and then choose the customer. Now that we've defined the customer, we'll choose Actions, Functions, Drop Shipment, Get Sales Order. We'll choose a sales order we created from the sales orders list. This creates a new purchase line from the sales line. If we want to check the purchase order from the sales line, we can choose the line we're drop shipping and then choose Order, Drop Shipment, Purchase Order. To post the drop shipment, we can either post the sales order or receive the purchase order. The purchase order cannot be invoiced until the sales order is posted. We can now invoice the purchase order. Thanks for watching.